Hey adventurers! We had to make a quick trip to Dallas to officially help Atlantis move out of my brother's house because she's going to travel with us full time. Woo!
After packing her up, Atlantis and Lacey hit the road, heading to Utah to drop off the car to Annalie since she needed a car.
And just as we were driving, I got a call from our publisher. Surprise! They bumped up our book release by a whole week, as in today. So while I was driving all day from Texas to Utah, I handed everything over to Adam to handle.
It was intense, but totally worth it. We hit bestseller in multiple categories. What a total win. Meanwhile, though not such a win for Atlantis and Lacey, they hit a pothole trying to avoid another one and blew a tire.
We managed to get the spare out of the fully packed trunk, jack the car up, and take the flat off, just as a complete angel of a stranger came by and helped us finish the job. Absolute hero. We made it to Utah, dropped the car off to Annalie, then jumped on a plane right back to Texas. Quickest trip ever. To celebrate being back, we surprised the girls with Beast Burgers. They're huge MrBeast fans, so this was a total hit.
MrBeast Burgers? No way! No! Oh my gosh! I want to try MrBeast Burger. That's crazy. Yeah, man. Guess what you got, Eden?
They basically stalk his YouTube channel and know everything about him, so getting to try the food was like a dream come true.
Before leaving Dallas, we spent a little time downtown with Atlantis. It was the perfect thing to do before heading down south.
On the way to Galveston, we had to stop by Buc-ee's. If you've never been, just go. Trust us, you'll thank us later.
Galveston was beautiful. We stayed in an Airbnb right on the bayou with its own little canal system. The girls took the canoes all the way out to the ocean.
They even made up games like Get the Purple Ball, which, let's be honest, none of us really understood, but they were laughing nonstop.
That little purple ball.
backwards. Alright, go bag. Scoop the water like it's scooping ice cream. There you go. Good job. So look back and look how kind of I'm doing it. So you kind of go this side, scoop, then you go this side, and you scoop this side.
And inside, they had a slap your hand away game. Again, no idea really what the rules were, but they had a blast.
You can adjust your position. Okay. Yeah. Falls on the ground.
We went on a family canal trip to check out the beautiful houses.
What did I see under there? Oh, look at that cute husky. I love huskies. Looks like grass.
Had water fights.
Anyways, we're going back home.
I know. I'm doing all the work. I need a boat like yours.
Anyways, we're going back.
And took turns jumping off the dock.
Okay, just hold it like this so it sees everything you're doing. Okay, so is it recording?
Ready out of 3, 2, 1, go.
I'm good. Nope, I wanna go. Nope. I wanna go. We're not gonna wait for you.
One eternity later.
I didn't touch the bottom, so.
It's deep.
Mission complete.
Or with somebody else? Well, choose.
Just water.
It's fun.
Actually felt pretty good.
Yeah, 'cause it's hot out here. Ah!
Here. I'll just lower you in. Ready? One time we even saw a giant fish, but of course, no GoPro, so you'll have to take our word for it.
Alright, ready? How about all three of you go at once? Hold hands. And those sunsets. Just wow. The girls loved rowing down the canal to catch a view of them.
We also ate at some amazing restaurants. The kids were thrilled to have breakfast for dinner, and Mickey Mouse pancakes, instant classic.
Adeline even tried to eat the whole thing in one bite. Do you think she made it?
I'm gonna film it.
I have to eat a little bit. It's too big, but. Here. Okay.
Well, she almost did.
While the girls played, Lacey and I were busy planning something huge, an epic upcoming cruise.
Alanis' friend is getting married in Germany and invited us out, so we're going to make an adventure out of getting there. Our cruise stops in Portugal, Spain, France, and ends in Italy. And then on to Germany.
Can't wait. It's going to be legendary.
Of course, we had to have a beach day. The water was a little chilly, but that didn't stop us. The girls built a sandcastle and even dug a moat. But it was taking way too long to fill it bucket by bucket. So we tried to fill it by digging a canal. It kinda worked.
There was this crazy old pier nearby we had to explore. Waves were crashing, fog rolling in, and part of it was missing. Definitely an adventure. We played in canals, hit the beach, planned a dream cruise, and made so many fun memories. So what's next? Stick around, adventurers. This journey is just getting started.
Adventurepreneurs out.
pancakes.